So who does voices or accents with their kids that they're willing to share? Hold on a second. Ooh, what is that? Are we winning? Angry Birds? Angry Birds too? They're good? Okay, cool. By the way, I don't create expectations. I know I'm bigger than I look, okay? A lot of people go like, wow, okay. No, I'm not too much. I'm just right. Okay. By the way, we're going to let Tyler hear everything. Okay, yeah, go for it.
Okay, my name is Carol Walker, and basically I do run a program over 10 years.
Okay.
And I normally play Simon Said.
Okay.
And for children, I normally say, Simon said, do this. So everybody's looking, just like you guys are.
Okay.
But then I say, because I'm not doing anything, so the only thing I'm doing is looking.
Right.
And then I'll say, Simon said, touch your hand with the other hand. The left hand or the right hand, Miss Carol? No. Take your left hand and touch your right hand. What are we going to do? Simon said, start clapping.
Okay.
And the children will respond.
Awesome.
It's always something that gets the attention.
Now, what voice or accents do you do?
Most of the times I just whisper.
I mean, that works. If all of a sudden you start whispering, the kids are like, why is she whispering?
Because it gets attention.
It does.
Besides,
How many of you, when somebody calls you on the phone and they're whispering, you whisper back? How do you do that? Okay, well, teach people not to call you. That's awesome. All right, give her a round of applause. Who else? Anybody? Okay, cool. I see you had her hand up. Did you? Or you don't have to do it. I hope so. Everyone's going to be different.
In the morning, my sister and I, we have this little joke goes on every morning. When she calls me, I call her first after we see each other. At 5. I go to the gym with her. And in the morning, when she calls her, if I feel like there's no soccer,
Okay, don't let your... The hell is that?